Today, I will be showing you how to change game settings in Zero AD. Adjusting the game settings allows you to customize your experience based on your preferences and your system's performance. First, click on the menu button located in the upper right corner of the game screen. From the drop-down menu, select Options. Once you click on Options, a Game Options window will open. This is where you can change different settings in the game. Here, you can adjust general settings as well as settings for graphics, sound, and game setup, among others. You can explore each of these sections and customize them to match how you want the game to look, sound, and play. After making your changes, simply click Save and then close the Options window, and your settings will be applied automatically. And that is how you change game settings in Zero AD. Thank you for watching!